Hey, is this your robot?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Isaac.
Nice to meet you.
Do you mind if I ask you some questions about it
Not
on
at
camera?
all.
Okay. Can you mind if I put this on? Okay, cool. Sorry. So I've never seen this in person, but I've seen it online a lot. And if we could like kind of talk towards the camera, like we're talking to an audience. So I've seen this online a lot, but never in person. I'm super excited to see it. I've seen some good review videos, but honestly, I just want to look at it. So can you tell me about it? Like what
Yep.
can it do?
This is the first robotic mower that has the same performance as any traditional mower.
Okay, so these blades,
Yeah, these blades.
they're not tiny razor blades like we see on all the other ones. We got actual blades that can cut leaves. And what's it do with the leaves?
So this can cut and mulch the leaves. And same thing for the grass. It cuts it and mulches it, and with a high-speed fan inside, it can spread this thing evenly across your lawn.
Where's the fan?
The fan is actually inside, so there is a high-speed fan. So you see there are two discharge.
Oh, okay.
So when it cuts, then it will be mulched and then will be discharged. It will be very even, nice, and you will never get any mess after cut. Give you a nice clean cut every single time. And this is a 16 inch wide cutting width. It's super efficient. It can cover up to 1.7 acres per day.
Okay. What about on a single battery charge?
Single battery charge, you get to around 0.6 acres.
I mean, that's really good. That's very good. Is the battery accessible? Can we see the battery, or is it pretty much inside?
It's inside. Yeah, I haven't done it on my own because this is a new design, and it's
okay.
just my colleague probably can do it, but I don't know whether I'm able to do it or not. It's very easy, but I just haven't done it before, so I don't know.
Are they going to be around at some point, or no way?
He's gonna have to leave in a little while.
Is he here right now?
He was here, but I don't know he probably went to the bathroom. I don't know.
Maybe no worries.
Yeah, and then the treads you see here, it makes a total difference. So it's super good for all kinds of tough terrain, including slopes up to 45 degrees. And
45 degrees.
Yep.
45 degrees. Hang on, are you sure?
Yeah, we tested.
Okay, because that's 100% slope.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, that might just be a first right there.
In terms of obstacles, like you see the tree branches going over that, no problem at all. Any big holes or any ditch or anything that will trap a traditional wheeled robot, we don't have any problem at all. So you will not get any getting stuck or issue with our robot, no matter how challenging is your lawn is.
Yeah. So, I mean, I love it. A couple questions though. Is it, trying to be polite, is it ready for prime time? Is this a robot, I guess first of all, can I buy a robot like this, and when would I get it if I bought it?
So we launched in Kickstarter in last October, which is 3 months ago, and we're still in late pledge. You can still get it through Kickstarter, which is $2,000, around $2,000, and then later in March we're gonna ship it to Amazon and our own website. Then the price is gonna be $3,000, and you will receive it. If you buy it through Kickstarter, you will receive it between early March and late April, in that range. But if you buy it through Amazon, then that's when we launch it officially. Then you can get it once you buy it.
Okay, so you're in the Kickstarter phase, you're still ramping up production, so it is kind of a little bit more of a, I guess, risky buy, which is fine. I mean, companies go through phases, and I think you offer a lot of value with the terrain capability.
So for Kickstarter, you not only get $1,000 cheaper, but you get a bonus, which is a extended 1-year warranty.
So what's the normal warranty?
2 years. With Kickstarter, you get 3 years.
3 years. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, that's fair. are you doing any sort, like how does aftercare support work? Like if something breaks, how do you fix it?
Yeah, we have we collaborate with the after sale companies all over the world. So we will have after sale in Europe, in North America, in Australia. So you don't need to worry about if anything happens to it, because we will take care of you.
Well, I'm a dealer for robot mowers, so I'd be very interested in carrying this product. Are you guys doing a dealership program, or are you guys like just direct to customers?
Oh, we'd love to work with the dealers, because you are the one can help us make it well known and spread it out. Yeah. We're actually talking to a few right now, and we haven't made final decisions yet. We'd love to get in touch, and our marketing team can set up a conference call with you, and then discuss the future collaboration.
Yeah, sales are super important. Getting the word out there is super important. I'm actually an engineer, so I'm actually kind of curious about the nuts and bolts behind manufacturing and things like that. Like, and it's fine if you don't want to share, but like how many Kickstarter orders do you have that you're fulfilling right now?
Oh yeah, we are right now over 1,700.
1,700. So you got to make 1,700 of these puppies.
Yeah. And
distribute them around the entire world?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, if you're able to do that, I mean, that's going to be a big deal. And I have full faith in you.
Excuse me?
I have full faith in you. What about your
you.
software team? Like, how long have they been working on it? How good is it? What's their background? Like, because software tends to be like one of the most difficult parts with making a robot.
When you say software, I believe you meant the algorithm part and also the electronics part, including all those, right?
Yeah. So maybe I jumped ahead a little bit. What kind of sensors do we have? I assume we're rocking some kind of RTK here, right?
Yeah. We're for navigation we use RTK plus VSLAM vision and RTK, and we also have 5 ultrasonic to detect objects. And
can I just push this down?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, okay.
You can push it down.
Nice. I really like that, by the way. It makes it really easy to access the bottom side.
Yeah.
Not many other mowers are like that. So that's really cool. So you got ultrasonic,
5 ultrasonic, and
stereo
2 cameras.
And then what are these?
These are the light.
Oh, they're just lights. Okay. Cool. You got some kind of status indicator, LCD here. All right, cool. Cameras. Are these ultrasonic on the back?
Yeah, those are 2 sets of ultrasonic.
And then these are what, charging ports down here? What is this?
That's the
to take it apart?
opening, yeah.
So you don't even need, okay.
No bolts, it's just a snap-on.
Can I pull it? I don't want to break it. Okay, so software-wise, like, can you tell me anything about your software team?
Yeah, so actually I'm part of it. I'm working on the algorithm perception, like for object detection and everything.
Yeah.
And I graduated from Georgia Tech, and
nice.
I have a PhD program from computer science.
Nice.
And I basically I was doing a lot of learning kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And my other team members, they are all mostly from the self-driving car companies.
Okay.
And they are very, very have a lot of experience, and they're strong backgrounds.
What about on the manufacturing side? I don't even. How does that work? Like, do you have like dedicated like material engineers for that, or how do you?
Oh yeah, we have a group of structural engineers.
Oh, nice.
And we're cooperating with a very professional team in Shenzhen. They are helping us do the mass production, and we're also working with the best manufacturer team, like assembling team. Like, do you know BYD?
I don't.
Yeah, those are the most most famous big companies that help people.
Assemble the final assembly.
Yeah.
Nice. Are you using robot operating system or something else?
At the beginning, when we're doing the Yeah, at the beginning we're doing something like a Ross, but no, we're not doing it anymore because that was just like a research part, and now we're actually doing our own system. So
okay.
we're developing our own.
Nice. Cool. Well, I mean, I think I really love it. I mean, honestly, I do. Beta program, like how many of these are you guys like actively testing in the wild? Like how long have you been doing that?
Oh, we've been doing it over 6 or 7 months now, and it's all over the world. We have New Zealand, we have North America, we have Europe. We have more than 10 at least.
Okay.
But we're going to have a lot more very soon because in February, and we're going to ship a lot more beta unit tests to our users.
Okay. So one thing is there's a lot of robot mowing companies out there, and all of them kind of have their unique value add. But thinking in terms of the customer, what type of customer, what type of lawn do you think this will be a slam dunk for? Even considering, Momotion's got all-wheel drive units that can do, now, they got a $900 version that can do a very small lawn, all the way up to a 2.5 acre version. So what is the bread and butter? Like, what's the target lawn for this that you think you beat everybody else at?
Large size, complex, with uneven terrain, tough terrain, and long up to like several acres, because we are the most efficient and most powerful.
So you're in kind of Yarbo territory then, because they're still kind of early days, but they're targeted at larger lawns. They've got the treads as well. So are you better than Yarbo?
Honestly speaking, way better.
Oh dang! Okay. All right.
The moving speed and the tread traction, Yarbo can climb a hill. Oh, that's the real voice from the beta user of the Yarbo.
So I think they would agree that they can't climb a 45-degree hill. How much does this weigh? Yarbo's like 200.
Oh, we're lighter. We're like 70 pounds.
Okay, so cheaper shipping, I think. Lower price point, I think.
I agree. Yarbo is a very good company. They are good at snow, I think. Very good. Yes, that's their target. But in terms of mowing, I'm pretty confident that. I'm not saying they're not good. I'm just saying they're probably in a different category than ours.
Yeah. So rough terrain. Yeah, because I have a Yarbo. I have the mower. I don't know that I personally have any customers that would fall in that like really rough terrain type category. Honestly, I probably just need to use it. How many of these do you have, like pre-production units? Well, do you have any in the U.S. that I could like go and see in person? Michigan, maybe?
Not in Michigan, actually.
Okay.
It's in Atlanta. We have.
Okay. So it's a plane ride. Okay.
But very soon we're gonna have more in the U.S. Like later in February.
Oh, okay.
We're probably going to visit one that's near you.
Okay. Yeah. We're talking about doing kind of like a robot demo day where we have a bunch of different brands that people can come and check out. Do you have a card or something we can follow up and talk more about that?
Here's my card. You have one, or I can take a picture of your. Let me very quickly take a picture of your, so that I know. So I assume that you are like a media kind of.
No. So basically, we're here to help people navigate, because there's a lot of different companies. All of them are saying they're the best at one thing or the other. So I'm kind of coming in as a dealer for multiple brands and being more of a unbiased opinion. Like I said, I got a technical background as an engineer, so I'm helping people navigate that. And then,
marketing kind of.
Yeah. So this right now is for like a YouTube channel. So that's going to be the primary. I've already thrown some up about the Yarbo and the Luba as well, but definitely Segway is a really good robot. Sunseeker I'm looking at as well. So really kind of like a very dedicated independent review source to make recommendations to customers. So that's why I was asking, like, who would buy this versus anything else. So in a week, let's say you're cutting twice a week, what's the acreage that you can do with this guy?
We can cover up, if you charge it 3 times a day, we can cover 1.7 acres
Per day.
per day. Yes.
So if you're doing 3 days a week, that's,
Then,
or 3.5 days a week, you're roughly 6 acres. So the acreage range is roughly on par with Yarbo, right?
we can actually do way more than that. If you do it at night, that's then going to be double.
Oh, so that's 1.7 only during the day?
Only during the day, yes.
Okay, and I think honestly that's more fair because you don't want to cut wet grass at night. So I'm glad you're using the realistic number and not like, oh yeah, if you do 24 hours a day.
The numbers we're using is actually very realistic. We have seen a lot of numbers online. We don't even know how did they get it. When I mean, that's scary.
Yes, I agree. And that's why I'm here. Because I'm like, guys, like, you can't compare these numbers because they don't mean the same thing to different companies.
Exactly.
So yeah, I've got your card. I think you gave it to me, right?
Yeah, I just gave it mine. Nandy.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. All right, cool.
All right,
well,
thank
we're
you.
off to check out more robots. Thank you for taking time to show this one to me.
Thank you.
Glad to finally see it in person. So, all right. I need that back. This right here.
Yeah, this one needs to get back to you.
Yep. Okay. Thank you.
See you, sorry.
All right, thanks.